Hello, I'm Linden at Scandic Sourcing in Shanghai. We are sourcing consultants helping clients all over the world working with Chinese suppliers. We specialize in the mechanical electrical industry, and we don't work with consumer products. Many people have a mixed experience sourcing in China, and we often have clients coming to us with some bad experience. Very often the problem is communication, and it's very important when you talk to a Chinese supplier or a supplier from any different culture to make sure he understands what you talk about and what your requirements are. One of the most common problems in sourcing in China is unclear specifications. And a very typical case is a product being manufactured in your home country for 20 years, and you send those drawings to China and you hope to get the same result coming out. And you might be surprised that there is a difference. And very often this has to do with all that information that is not properly documented. All those improvements in processes that have been done over 20 years, that everybody who's doing this, they know it, but they're not documented on the drawings. So this is a little bit the challenge when you start with something new, and it could be just with a new supplier, but also in a new country where the communication is a little bit more difficult. And that's where we come in to help to understand these requirements and communicate them to the supplier. Another very common issue is that specifications in materials, and you might have a certain standard, let's say an EU standard or an ANSI standard on materials, and you say you insist on having this material. And many suppliers will then say, okay, they want this material, so we will source that. And maybe that is a steel that has to be imported from Europe or America. And then it becomes, of course, very expensive. So in this case, it's very important to say, or an equivalent, and then make an evaluation of the standard that you let the supplier suggest to you, and see, does it meet the material properties that you need. In this way, you can cut cost to a very big degree. And that's just a typical misunderstanding we see very, very often. If you need help with sourcing in China, please contact me and let's have a talk online and see if we can help you. Thank you very much.